here's some of the clear sets with just some whimsical little characters and lots of fun little monsters on this one. And you can stamp and color them with your Copic markers or any color scheme you like. Take a look at some samples. This clear set, the Skeleton Humor, has a lot of versatile, fun ways that you can put all of the pieces together. And while some of them are line illustrations, others are solid shapes. So they're quick and easy to use with different color ink pads or markers. So let me show you some of the fun ways that I've combined them here. Here we have our flower lady. You can put all of the different things into their hands, have the bats flying by, and I was able to color just the grass to repeat that where I wanted it. The two work together really well. And here you can see some finished samples.